Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a 2026 Alcom Stealth 8.5 by 20 foot car hauler with our exclusive Elite escape door. We'll start by talking about the trailer. It is a 20-foot box, like I said, 8.5 wide, sitting on tandem 3,500 pound axles with brakes on both axles. It has got a very popular Elite escape door, so we'll show you how it operates. It's pretty simple. Taking latches off. These are all aluminum as well. The whole trailer is made of aluminum except for the axle, so it's 30% lighter than a steel. Open the door up, walk up to it. I've already released them, but you release these, tap your fender because it's in a slip down here. Lift it out, all aluminum, so it's light. And look at that. You can get out of any car now, open the door and step out without climbing out a window or something. As we continue walking around the trailer, it's finished in beautiful silver. It has a V-nose, which is not part of the 20-foot box. It's additional area on top of it. It's got our cross vent. There's one there. I'll show you one on the other side here in a second. We continue walking around it. This side has got our man door on it with our RV style handle, a paddle lock here and a deadbolt here, and our aluminum door holder opener, which has this so it keeps it locked open in case the wind's blowing. We'll continue walking around the side here. As we can see here, it's got the other cross vent. So there's one on each side, air constantly flowing through the trailer 365 days a year to keep it nice and fresh inside. We have our starter flap open as we walk inside. We have a spare tire holder here, already mounted. Continue walking through, you can see the inside of how this door opens up. Walk up front, it has 4 heavy-duty D-rings. Look like this. The flooring and the walls are called advanced decking. This stuff will never rot. It will outlive you. This whole trailer will, because it's all aluminum, so it'll never rust. But I've had this stuff in a fishbowl in my office here for over 6 years, submerged in water and still hard as a rock. This is the inside of the RV door. This is our little speech. Say no to rust by aluminum, 30% lighter than steel, maintenance free. Yeah, there's so many advantages of aluminum over steel nowadays. It's one, you get 30% more payload. This is the inside of that cross vent I was talking about. You can put your hand over it and you can feel air flowing. It has an LED dome light inside, of course. You walk around back. I'm going to shut the back ramp, show you how easy that is. You simply flip the starter flap up, 2 fingers grab it, assists like a garage door. It goes up and put your latch on it. Trailer's finished in all LED lighting, inside and out. You can see it's a heavy-duty ramp because it's got 6 hinges on it for extra heavy support. Nice trim line LED tail lights on it. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailers, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or 503-666-7300. Thank you very much for looking. Have a wonderful day.